are here, and today, remember this? Trash. And this is not trash. Look at this spinner. Look at that. It's gold. It's very heavy. Like, it's nearly heavy. So look at that. Now let me focus on it. Look at that. It can. I don't know how it spins just yet, but look at that. That looks nice. Okay, it's very heavy too. Let's see how it spins. Wow. Oh, that looks nice. Look at that. Hold on, do that. Look at that. It's a rainbow. It's like a rainbow spinner. Let's see how it spins in the floor. Oh. Hold on, let me spin this. Hold on. I know this lasts so long to spin, so. Look at that. Nah, it's not so loud. Look at. You face it. Look at that. It's like a rainbow spinner. These two. I have two spinners now. This looks nice. Look at that. Can I crash my phone? Okay. I'm just kidding. I didn't crash my phone. But this looks nice. Oh, sorry about the light, by the way. Sorry about the light, but look at this. Hold on. Look. Doesn't that look nice? Is it hold on. Is it stable? It's not nice. Look at that. I can balance it. Oh man. And you should be careful with this when it drops, because look. These can go out. So you should be careful of these to be lost, because if you lose it, sorry, it's out. So yeah. Oh man, this looks nice. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, be sure to hit that like button down below. Also, if you want to see the emoji, be sure to look out for that. And yeah, hit the notification to not miss the video of this emoji, of the other emoji of this video spinner. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Of course, if you have, be sure to hit the like button down below. Also, if you're at all new to this channel, I guess you hit the subscribe button and then click the bell, okay? Do not miss any of my videos again. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye-bye. And you guys need the best.